As of this day, nobody is really sure what is going to happen next. This is Alwan Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with me is my kumaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
This is the Kitty Show. Tarayana Talakian Showbiz Edition. Mare, I cannot understand why are people so gang-ho and so affected by the fact na hindi matutuloy may chika na hindi matutuloy ang kasal ni Bea Alonso kay billionaire Vince. Why is everyone reeling with this situation?
Because she went through failed romances.
Okay.
First with Gerald Anderson,
Mhm.
and then with who's that guy? Dominic Roque, tama, di ba?
Yes.
So, eto yung pangatlo niya,
Mhm.
people were ecstatic because parang finally she find her
The one.
Mr. Right, di ba?
Yes.
Parang ganun. So people were happy na ay finally altar bound na si Bea after so many
And of course,
romances,
it's
di ba?
because of the right age na.
Mm-mm. So, to their collective dismay, may chikang hindi na daw matutuloy ang kasal.
Mhm.
Parang there were circumstances
Mhm.
na nakapalibot kung bakit hindi matutuloy ang kasal.
Mhm.
There was one instance that si Bea daw ay umurong sa prenuptial agreement.
Mhm.
Di ba?
Is that confirmed? O haka-haka lang?
Everybody's speculation lang.
Speculation. Okay.
Mm-mm. Pangalawa, there were stipulations in the supposed prenup agreement which Bea frowned upon.
Mhm.
Kasi parang may nakaano na doon, may mga stipulation na pag nag-away sila, hindi niya pwedeng sigaw-sigawan yung lalaki.
Mhm.
Pag nagkaanak sila at naghiwalay, hindi sa kanya mapupunta yung
Mhm.
anak nila. Parang mga ganun. Of course, these are all speculations.
Yes.
These are all allegations.
Oo.
Ang mahirap kasi dito, no one is confirming and no one is denying.
From both parties.
So everything floats in mid-air.
Oo.
'Di ba? Parang walang there's no conclusive facts and there's no conclusive elements that will show us people, netizens and observers kung ano talagang scenario. They have not given us the ringside view of how things are doing.
Mhm.
'Di ba? Even the places yung sa wedding sa Spain,
Oo.
it was
Iba-iba.
kept secret.
Oo.
Even the wedding reception, it was kept secret.
Mhm.
Di ba? Now, the chismis is that hindi na daw matutuloy, although, yung family ni Bea, nasa Spain na.
Nasa Spain na.
Tapos si din, parang nasa Spain na.
Si Vincent.
Hindi, the friend of Bea, the actress,
Who? Dimples?
Dimple Sumana, plus yung husband niya, si Boyet Ami, nasa na yata.
Mhm.
So people were thinking, tuloy ba o hindi? Diba? And the last video of Bea was, nung Mother's Day, binigyan niya ng sing-sing.
Ang mami niya.
Ang mami niya na Diamond.
Oo.
Of course, it came from yung
Promo
endorse
ng,
niyang
Diamond ring.
Diamond jewelry
Jewelry,
line.
oo.
Di ba? Yung ganon.
Mm.
So everything is
Pure
obnoxiously
Oo. Ako, what bothers me more than them not admitting is that there are some publications and entertainment portals na yung reportage nila parang a matter of fact yung alam nila. Kasi matalang if you read to it, speculation pa rin. Supposedly, may mga sources sila na ayaw nilang pangalanan. So, kung talagang yung source mo hawak ang katotohanan at pawang katotohanan lamang, bakit may mga dramang under hidden tinatago ka sa pangalang source ka lang? And then, yung the manner they are writing it, parang akala mo talaga totoong-totoo. Sa mo talagang tamang-tama yung sinasabi mo na everything is speculation. Hindi ko nauunawaan bakit itong spekulasyon, binibenta nila parang ito ang katotohanan. Hindi kaya, ang nakakaloka pa dito is that, hindi kaya mapahiya sila kung biglang isang araw, kaya pala, this is just all for, Para lang makita how the public is going to react. Tapos bilang ikakasal naman pala talaga.
May nagsasabi din gano'n na tuloy ang kasal.
Saka sa
Oo.
akin, Vincent is of age. And matalino naman yung mama. Hindi naman ako naniniwala na parang ang buhay niya ay parang isang pelikula ng Mano po.
Mm.
Na kung ano sinabi ng magulang ko, oo lang ako ama, oo ina. I don't think he's that kind of guy.
Oo,
Feeling ko,
kasi yung Mano po series parang ano na yun eh.
di ba?
Parang obsolete ano na yun.
Oo,
Nung
di ba?
nakaraan pa yun
Oo.
eh.
So,
Na mga
at
ano.
this day and age, kung talagang mahal mo tong babaeng to, pwede ka namang mag-declare sa pamilya, ayoko lang ng prenup. Ako naman ikakasal, mapa. Anong problema? Kailangan natin i-prenup? Eh, mahal ko po talaga to. Hindi naman ko maniniwalang, ano lang siya, opo papa, opo mama. Ano ito? Pelikula ni Mother Lily?
Aray ko.
Nung araw, di ba? Ang laki ng kinito ng Mano po, pero laging ganun ang sitwasyon, di ba?
Oo, ang dami nun. Ang
Oo.
daming Mano po
Oo,
series yun.
lagi ang sitwasyon, yung babae, pag hindi ka Chinese, ang dami-dami kung ano-anong requirement. Parang, he became a billionaire, yes, because he's intelligent. Because, yeah, anak siya. Pero when it comes to love ba, you will give your parents so much power.
Alam mo kasi ang problema dito, nobody's talking.
Yes. And
Yun ang problema dito.
Kasi sa akin rin, okay lang that nobody is talking. Kasi maybe, the reason why they're not talking is they're trying to thresh out things pa.
Oo nga, but it aggravates the matter.
Yes.
Yun ang ano eh. Kasi, nagsalasalat na yung mga
Mga
istorya,
balita.
yung mga report,
Oo.
yung mga balita. So, I mean, if I were in their shoes, I will talk once and for all. Isang beses lang. Oh, tapos ang kwento.
Well,
di ba? Because you have to enlighten people na
Mm.
hindi po totoo yan. May totoo po, may hindi. Ito
Oo.
po ang hindi totoo. Ito po ang totoo.
Oh.
Tapos
Well,
ang kwento.
I would like to give them that credit
Mm.
na sooner magsasalita sila. Kasi I've already, parang wala ka naman talagang pwedeng pagtanungan at this point in time. Kung silang dalawa lang ang makakasagot niyan. Kung talagang tuloy ba o tigil.
I think the stories coming out right now did not come from them. I think by the people around
Yes,
them.
yun ang feeling ko eh.
Yun ang nangyayari.
Oo.
Kaya hindi mo ma-distinguish kung ano yung totoo at kung ano yung hindi.
Oo.
Ano yung fabricated, ano yung fiction, 'di ba?
Oo.
Ano yung truth, 'di ba? You cannot distinguish it.
Oo.
There's no way you can distinguish it until somebody from each other's camp talk.
Oh. Saka yung, I think also the reason why they're not talking is parang they do not want to dignify all of this. Ayaw pa nilang, I will stoop down to your level. Kami muna ang mag-uusap. And then,
Hindi kasi may nag-comment din sa isang ang sabi yung Chinese they are very very private. They do not wash their dirty linens. They do not lay down all their cards.
okay.
They do not make kwento their private lives,
Ang
ganon.
problema kasi, if that is how this family operates, and then in the very start, dapat sinabihin na nila na, no, not Bea. Bakit siya pa pinapunta hanggang lumawig na hanggang ganito kalala? Umabot sa kasalan. Diba? Sa akin yun lang eh. Kung talagang tong parents ayaw sa kanya to begin with, dapat naging stir na sila doon. Kaya lang maaaring inilaban ni Vincent.
Oh, pero anong tawag dito? I think one sector or one camp, parang yun ang naglalabas. May isang kampo na yun ang naglalabas.
Yes.
Ng
Obvious
story.
naman na nag-feed kung kani-kanino.
Di ba? Para siguro, may interest to protect siya.
Well,
Di ba parang ganon?
I cannot answer for whoever that camp is, who's doing all this manipulation. But at the end of the day, you should remember na feelings ito eh. Relasyon.
Oo.
At ang nasasaktan dito, si Bea, nasasaktan si Vincent, nasasaktan yung pamilya inaakusahan ng kung ano-ano. Lalo na kung hindi naman pala lahat totoo ito.
Yeah.
Diba? Maging patas naman tayo doon sa mga taong dapat ikasal. Kung hindi sila ikakasal, gusto ko yung question mo. Na dapat magsalita na sila para klaro. But still, we cannot impose that on them. Sila pa rin ang gagawa nun.
Oo naman.
Sila pa rin ang makasabi na, ay, diba?
Alam mo, ang na-realize ko dito, parang at the onset, okay eh. Parang, di ba, everybody got excited, di ba? Everybody got ano. Tapos on the way to seriousness,
Mm.
parang may stumbling block.
Ah.
Kasi papunta na sa nung na-chismis, di ba?
Mm.
Wala to eh, wala lahat ito eh, walang mga ano eh, walang negative factors eh. Yung papunta na sa seryosong usapan, like marriage, doon na parang medyo the derails are coming, di
But
ba?
one of the things you've said about relationships that fail, which is full of wisdom, is that it always comes in threes.
Yeah.
Maybe this is the universe telling that, Bea, this is your third. This is Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with Miss May Kamaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brasas.
And iniimbitahan po namin kayong manood ng Kitty Show tuwing Sabado at Linggo alas 4 ng hapon sa aming Facebook page at sa aming Diaryo Tirada YouTube channel. Happy Saturday to all!